7:30 pupunta kami ng Old Town bago kami mag-tour ng alas 10.
During the Civil War, Mostar really got dealt with a lot of damage.
Kasagsagan ng init, nag-decide kami magpuntang outdoors sa Blagay Water, sa Blagay tsaka sa Kravitsky. Natulog kami ng 15 minutes after lunch. Tapos ngayon lang kami. We're leaving. We're supposed to go to this religious place, dervish house, bahay ng mga Turkish na mga religious people. All we're seeing so far are restaurants and the river, by the river. Speaking of food and restaurants, grabe. I think Bosnian food together with yung Slavic food in general, super heavy sa meat. Wala pa ata akong meal na kinainan na hindi pa ako nagmi-meat. I think kailangan na namin mag-fish or something else kasi puro kami beef, which is bad for the diet. Ha? Okay. Okay.
Super init. Have to cover.
So yun yung house. And yung house is situated sa rocks. This has been largely untouched during the war for some reason. Because you know, neutral naman to mga to. They don't engage in warfare. So they were left alone. That's the house. That's a religious place. Ang sabi nila, you could go inside and pay, but there's nothing much to see. And so we'll just have a look from the outside and get out before going to Kravitse Waterfalls. Yay! We were here. Ito yung pinunta namin. Naglakad kami from the parking lot para makita tong bahay na to. Ito. Alis na tayo, Hirog. Tara na. Ang init. Let's go. Sobrang hapdi nung mata ko. Grabe, dito gawa ng pawis. Hirap alisin.
Ang ganda-ganda dito kaso sobrang init. So cold. Like 5 degrees cold. Ang lamig. I don't think makakapag-swimming tayo sa waterfall.
Sarap nga.
Super lamig. Wow. Ako lang.
Sarap. Wow! Lamig! Parang yelo! Woo! Oh no! Woo! Nakakamagin!
Super lamig. Makakamagin. Promise.
Parang yelo, promise. 3, 2, 1. Parang nag-drain freeze yung pa ako. Nakaka-refresh yan pero sobrang lamig. Kita nyo sa sobrang lamig ng tubig, ginagawa siyang ref. Andito yung mga mineral water sa soft drinks na pinalalamig nila. After another hour or so of driving, andito na kami sa may Kravitse Waterfalls. It's gonna be a 6-minute walk down. Tapos susubukan namin maligo. Sana makaligo kami kasi sobrang init. Sobrang lamig ng tubig, tapos sobrang init. So, let's see. Naglalakad na kami papaba, papunta sa waterfall. And sana makakuha kami magandang footage. Si Mother Mary nga pala kasama ko. Nagtataka yung mga tao. Bakit balot na balot ang init? So, they want to keep this place as secular as possible. Kaya bawal ka mag-perform ng religious rites like nag-pray, baptism dito sa area na to. Guess what? Sinong nagpasimuno ng idea na yon? Group of Catholics from, I don't know, from Spain or Italy. They all got together and said, look, this is a natural wonder that's supposed to be shared by all. So therefore, to avoid any tension, you are not allowed to practice any religious rites here. Ang ganda. Eto na. Hindi ko talaga get, sobrang lamig. Ang lamig-lamig. Nakakalangoy sila.
Super lamig!
Pasain na kita.
Ang lamig eh. Hindi ko kaya.
Lulubog tayo sabay-sabay.
No, I can't.
Yes.
No!
Sabi nung balls ko. Ang lamig. Naka-survival mode siya. kasi para makasiling siya. Halika na. One lubog. Wow, halika dito. Lulubog kami. Lulubog kami. Higa tayo dun.
Parang yelo.
Anong gusto mo? Babatayin kita? Oh, halika na. Lubog. Isang lubog.
Hindi, hanggang lumalim siya.
Okay.
Kasi masakit ulo ko sa lamig.
Hindi, ito naman.
Kasi stress ako.
Hindi.
Hindi ko na maramdaman eh.
Kasi hindi ka lumulubog.
Ayoko.
Isang lubog mawawala.
No. It's freaking cold. 5 minutes, that's it.
Halika na. Tatalo na ka.
Ayoko!
One.
Ayoko, ang lamig!
Ingat. Wow, si Tomb Raider. Right, yeah.
And over there, if you want to pass the line, don't stand up after the line, okay?
Dahan-dahan. Tapos na kami sa Kravice Waterfalls.
Sarap dun. Ang lamig ng waterfall.
Ang lamig, kahit na sobrang init, ang lamig-lamig niya.
Nakaka-relax.
Nakaka-relax, nakakaantok. Now, I have to drive for 1 hour
And 30 minutes.
and 30 minutes pabalik na accommodation namin ng Airbnb namin sa Mostar.
Yeah.
Tapos, doon kami magdi-dinner.
Yes.
So, just in case hindi na kami mag-shoot mamaya dahil pagod na kami, we'll call it a day. And then we'll see you.
Baka makatulog ulit ako. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Ayun.
Dito kami sa gitna ng bundok.
Yes.
Kasi dito kami magsisimula. Yeah, that's what I should do.
So,